Today we're gonna be seeing how to turn your ugly home screen setup that looks like this, mine looks like this, into something that looks much cooler. That is, change the wallpaper into a much cooler wallpaper. Change the icons, that are these icons as you can see on my screen of WhatsApp, Discord and stuff. How to change the icons of these apps, and of course add some widgets instead of these boring default widgets. So let's get started. So first open up your Play Store, and then to change the wallpaper just search in KWGT and then hit search. And here click on the first option which says KWGT Custom Widget Maker, and then click on install. While that's installing, let's install the app for the wallpaper. I said I'm going to show the app for the wallpaper, but instead I showed you guys the widget one, but we'll be needing this one as well. Now in the search bar type in WallX, and here just install this one unique wallpaper. The link is in the description also. Now while this is installing, let's install another app called Icon Pack. You can just search in Icon Pack and then select any of these icon packs that list up here. So we have this one. This is a paid version. You can buy the paid version if you want. If you like it, like this is the paid version of their software. You can install it if you like. But let me go with the free version. We have Minma, we have Icon Pack Studio, Delta, Wycons, and stuff like that. I recommend selecting Minma because it's free and you get some cool minimalistic icons. So let me install this one as well. Now let's go back to the home screen. Let's see what installed. As you can see, we have WallX installed and KWGT. So first let's change the wallpaper. Just click on WallX and wait for it to load up. It'll show up wallpaper that fit your home screen. Now here you can go to this is the home page where you get the newest wallpapers that have been uploaded by the app or other people, or you can even download some wallpapers from here as well. Let me go back to the home screen, to the middle part where it says categories. Now here you can select the type of wallpaper you want: 3D, abstract, animals, and stuff like that. I'm going to select abstract and wait for it to load up. And here you'll get a few abstract wallpapers. As you can see, I had already downloaded some wallpapers from their site, so I'm going to select that one. So let me just close this. But first let me show you how to install a wallpaper. So you can select anyone if you want, like I'm selecting this one, even though I don't like it. And here just click on the center. You can see this mountains icon with the sun. Click on that icon, and then it says wallpaper saved to gallery. You can wait a few seconds to wait for a pop-up. As you can see, we have this pop-up that says set as wallpaper, WhatsApp profile photo, or contact photo. Select wallpaper, and then here you can drag and adjust what part of the wallpaper you want to show up. And then you can click on set wallpaper, and then you can select lock screen or home screen. Let me select both, and there we have our wallpaper set. And there we have our wallpaper setup. I'm not gonna select this one. I already have a wallpaper saved on my phone. That is this one, so I'm gonna set this as the wallpaper. Let me adjust it just like that and set as wallpaper both. There we go, we have our wallpaper set up. Now let's remove these icons and replace them with some widgets. So let me remove these boring widgets that are there on my home screen. Alright, now that I've removed the widgets, let me add a widget. First, make sure you have installed KWGT. Then after you've installed it, then open it up. I'm going to open it up. Just click on let's go and next, and then just click on allow, and then close. That's all. Close it. And then hold on your home screen or paste down. It depends on how it works on your phone. And click on widgets. Scroll down until you find KWGT. There we have KWGT on my phone. So let me hold, go back, and let me select the type of widget I want. If I want a 1x1, 2x2, 2x4, 4x1, or 4x2, or 4x4. I'm gonna start with 1x1 because I want it to be small and keep it right there. Now here you can click to set up or long. Just click on it. And then here you can scroll down to select the type of widget you want. As you can see, we have some few cool widgets. Here we have the donut clock version or the circular battery one. I'm gonna select something that fits my home screen. Let me go down. I just found one that looks pretty cool on my home screen, which is the date, time, and day. So let me click on that, and then click on OK. Now here you can edit how you want it to look like. According to me, it looks a bit big because it's not fitting up in that small place. So let me go back to layer and then scale it down a bit by clicking on the minus icon a few times till you get it inside the box. And you can save it again, clicking on the save icon, going back to the home screen. And there we have our widget, and it's pretty small, so you can increase the size from here. So let me place it right there. Now that looks nice. Okay, so let me keep it in the middle, or you can even keep it in the left side if you want. It depends on how you want it to look. There we go, that looks nice. Okay, now let's go back to widgets, and then let me change it into something else now. Let me add another one. So this time I'm going to select 2x2, place it right there, click to set up or long, scroll down, and this time let me select something else. There we have this circular battery one. I think it looks pretty cool because it says how much battery I have left and stuff. So let me go back to layer and then scale it down a bit so that it fits, and then save it, and then go back to my home screen, and there we have this logo. Let's resize it as well. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna make it smaller like that. Okay, let me just add one more widget. Go back to custom widget, select this one so that fits in the bottom right there. Oh, it looks weird. I think I'm going to select something else. Let's go back to widget again. You'll have to select one by one, see which one fits the size of your home screen. There are a lot of options here. Let me select this one. Let's see how this fits. Yeah, that's the one I want. I want it to be really long or something like that. Click to set up, and then scroll down, and this time let's select something that's long. This looks nice. Okay, it fits perfectly. Save. There we go, we have that widget installed as well. Now that we're done adding widgets and changed the wallpaper, now let's do one final thing, that is change the icons. Now first, before you change the icons, remove all the icons that are there on your home screen. Let me remove all of these icons. Don't uninstall, just remove, otherwise it will go off your phone. There we go, I removed all the icons. I only have the widgets right now. But according to me, it still looks pretty cool without the icons. But it depends on how you like it. You can keep it with the icons or without the icons. But I'm going to add some icons because I really need them on the home screen. Now all you got to do is go back to the app where you installed. Let's see if we have Shortcut Maker or we haven't installed it. Go back to Play Store. There we go. And then here, search in Shortcut Maker. Shortcut Maker, and you'll find this arrow icon here. That is a weird Google themed arrow icon. I don't know if it's a Google app or something, but it has that Google theme. Now here, just install it. It's not from Google. Now open it up. That will open up Shortcut Maker, and if you saw it correctly, at the bottom you saw it says Made in India. Now here, just click on Got It, And then once the home screen is opened up, just close it, because if you start adding shortcuts onto your icon from the app, then it might have a watermark. So to remove the watermark, just close the app, go back to your home screen where you want to add icons, hold and then click on widgets, scroll down until you find shortcut maker. There we have it. Drag it and then drop it anywhere you want, and then it will open up the app, this time in a shortcut menu, so that it removes the watermark. Then click on apps and select the app you want to be at the start. Let me select camera because that's the most important app. And here click on icon. Now make sure you have any icon pack installed. Like I said, go to Play Store, search an icon pack and select the type of icon pack you want. So after you install it, it will show up here. If it doesn't, then you can of course select from system icons and stuff like that. These are the system icons. You can select other ones as well, from gallery images and also from icons pack you've installed. Here we have the Minma icon pack which we installed. So you can click on that and then select the type of Minma icon you want. Here let me search in camera, and here you can select the type of icon you want. All of this looks pretty cool. I'm going to select this golden one and then click on the check mark right here in the bottom right, in the top right corner, and then create shortcut. And there we have our camera icon. I think it has that white weird thing, so to remove that, go to your home settings and then go to change icon and then set it as default. Change the icon shape to system default, and that will keep it circle like that, and it will look really big. So that's what we want. Again, hold on your home screen, click on widgets, scroll down, find custom shortcut maker, drag and drop anywhere you want on your home screen, select apps, and then here select the app you want next to camera. Let me select calculator. Here click on icon and then select the type of icon you want. You can select this one, or the one that came from your icon pack. Let me go down again, Minma icon pack. Here let me search in calculator. There we have a few calculator icons. According to me, I think this looks nice because it has like addition, subtraction, so it's a bit familiar. Click on the check icon at the top right corner, create shortcut. There we have our calculator icon. I'm gonna speed up the video because I don't want to bore you guys with the whole process. So as you can see, I'm done with the editing stuff, the setting up stuff. I've put all the icons, I've added the widgets again, and I thought of going with a darker wallpaper so we can see the widgets, because the widgets are white colored and the wallpaper is also white, so it's not clearly visible. And as you can see, it was a pretty neat setup, the home screen setup. If you don't like it, you can go back and then you can change it as well. Like you can change the icons of the second page of your home screen as well by again going to widgets and then dragging and dropping the shortcut maker icon, and then you can click on apps and then select any app you want to place on the second page of your home screen. I'm going to select chat randomly, and then you can select the type of icon you want. Let me type in chat, and yeah, we have this chat icon. You can select that, change the style or something, the icon and stuff, and then click on the check mark and then create shortcut. And there we have our icon again here, so you can keep it like, I'm gonna keep the home screen only because it looks pretty nice. So guys, that's all I've got to say. That's how you make your phone look cooler, the home screen setup. So guys, if you find this video helpful, make sure to give this video a like and share with your friends. And if you have any queries, you can fill out the SahimTech query and suggestion form. Till then, see you later. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.